1 plus 1 is truly equals to 2. Fine and good. But how about if we should make this 2 to be a string? Let's wrap 2 within a string now, and we'll save this, and we can see that this is still true and it's not supposed to be. So the major difference between a double equals to and a triple equals to is that it checks the type. If I should change this to a triple equal to at the moment, we are going to see that it says that this is false because this if statement cannot be executed, so therefore it goes over to the else statement because this is false. In this case, the triple equals to is actually checking the type of this value and the type of this value. So 1 plus 1 is truly equal to 2, but this 1 plus 1 here is a number, while this one here is a string. So therefore, they are not equal.